Hi everyone and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. In this video I'm working on a drawing of Godzilla and I decided to use Greyboard for this as I really wanted to make the scales stand out with some bright highlighting and just really push Godzilla out of the page. So after sketching a layout that I was happy with, I then went on to adding the outlines with the Pigma Micron 02 and I spent a lot of time working on these outlines. I really wanted to focus lots of attention to detail, and I enjoy doing this, especially for drawings in this style, where I feel like spending the extra time at this stage really does help me when I'm placing the shading and the highlights later on. When it came to adding the shading, I used Copic Markers, specifically a black marker, along with cool grey 3, 5 and 7, just blending between all these different markers. And then on top of that, to add some highlights, I was using a mixture of a white Prismacolor pencil, a white GellyRoll pen, and a Uni-Ball white ink pen. And I just layered these markers and these pens, creating lots of different textures and effects. And the process was so much fun. I've wanted to work on a Godzilla drawing like this for such a long time, and I had an amazing time working on this, and I really hope you enjoy watching. As you can see, for the final part of this drawing, I tried to add a bit of a background and some environmental effects, using a white pastel and a brush, and just creating some clouds with that. And then on top of that, I was using the white ink pens to add some lines streaking right across the page. Then for some final touches, I decided to use a bit of graphite and a blending stick to add some clouds. Then after that, this drawing was completed. Overall, it took about 8 hours to complete, and I had a massive amount of fun working on this. It was really interesting to try a grey tone style like this, and I loved trying the white pastel over the top of it at the end. So be sure to let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.